Hey, Rains. So I heard it's your birthday, huh? What's going on? I'm really sorry I couldn't make it out there to see you. God, if I had money, I would be there in a heartbeat. You know I would. I love you and I miss you like crazy. But you should definitely get out, have some fun, have some drinks for me, have some have some Foxfire fun. Don't stop. Don't stop. I'm not even worried about you though. Like, you do you, and this isn't goodbye at all. Like, we're gonna see each other so soon. Seattle's gonna be amazing. We're gonna tear it up. So, have a killer birthday. I miss you. Have everybody hug you for me, okay? I'll be there in spirit. Foxfire, don't stop. Bye.
Happy birthday, Miss Elizabeth Rains. I love you. I miss you. And Foxfire don't stop. And Foxfire burns. And you don't stop, ever. Because you're Rains. And you are Make It Rain Rains. Right? So, don't stop. Happy birthday. I hope it's awesome. I really hope I get to see you because I'm going to be on the East Coast for the next 5 days. And it's going to suck. And I'm stuck in a house with a million people. And I have no car. But you should come visit me. Happy birthday. I love you. Bye.
Rains, happy 23rd birthday. I miss you so much. You are amazing. I love you and I want to see you soon. So please come visit me or I'll come visit you before you move to Seattle. Otherwise, have an amazing birthday. Again, happy birthday.
Hey Rains, happy birthday. I really super miss you, and I can't wait to see you in Seattle. Alright, bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rains. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Foxfire, don't stop.
Hey, Rains. Sorry I'm in my bathing suit, and I actually am sorry. I just have been so busy, and I just thought about you, girlfriend, and I was like, I gotta do my video for Rains' birthday. And I just got out of the pool, and I need to go work out now. So, happy birthday, GF. I hope you have an amazing day. I'm gonna see you mucho amounts. And, girlfriend, I'm gonna have to come down to the States so I can come visit you, because I actually think about you in a natural amount, and it's a problem, and because it's what's it called, virtual distance love, it's stalkerish, but if we're in the same town I feel like it would be less stalkerish. So I need to come visit you. I love you, love you, love you, and have an amazing day. Bye.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
We wish we were there.
Alright.
In DC.
Yeah, wait, did you say?
Take the fire, take the fire.
Oh, fire. Wait,
Take the fire! Okay, go.
I got the fire.
What's the fire?
Not actually. What?
Well, damn.
Looks like your head is pooping fire. My head has diarrhea.
Go back, wait.
Put it out, put it out. No, yeah, that one.
Your reflection. Oh, sorry. That's how we do.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday from the Cabin Elkies.
From Boston. That's what I was
From
gonna say.
Boston. We're not actually doing Sammy Adams, but we did.
Wait, we had the cups.
Get the cup.
Boobs. Cups. We have cups.
Simmons.
It's a 7. Oh wait, if you put it over my shirt, you can kind of see it. 7. We had free beer, and then
Yes,
we
we did.
came back and had more beer.
In this video for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we wanted it to be good and true to form.
And tipsy. That's how we do.
True to form is tipsy.
We got the out of the way this time, so you can hear us.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just that. Too much.
Yeah. Yeah, so, yep, Jen made a checklist that we were supposed to go through, but I think we hit all of the important points.
Yeah.
Something about day drinking.
We wish we were there so we could be day drinking together.
Yeah, the first time we made this video, Jen said, we wish you were there, but you're already there. And then she deleted it, but I thought it would have been better, because it...
But I was just talking about it, so it's okay.
Yeah, that's right, now that I brought it up and talked about it extensively, it's totally fine. Did you just drool?
No!
Wait. Oh my god, wait, no. I went to brunch on Sunday. And she drooled on my arm. It was like, no, there's line of drool. And it was like, blah. With more drool.
I was drunk. I was tired. And at least I remember the entire day because we did not. Any of it.
I apparently switched shorts with some random guy in the middle of the sidewalk.
That's why it goes back to you.
It's so true though. Yeah, so I was naked on the sidewalk in New York City for like 5 minutes. It's fine. Ah! See, it's fine.
So goes, it's okay. Everything's okay. Okay. What else? What other jokes?
Yeah, oh wait.
So we're gonna recreate Club Deer for you for a second.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge, I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge, I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. You're on a
Happy birthday, Rains! It was really awesome to see you this weekend, and I hope that you have like the best year and like good luck moving. And it's like really brave that you're trying to switch things up and like.
And you're a foxy queer forever.
Yeah, and it was like really powerful what you said at camp about being your best self, and I'm like really like impressed that you're still doing it. So have a great year and happy birthday.
You do you. Happy birthday, Rains. I hope you have a good day.
Hey there, Rain. Alright, it was a special day for you coming up, so got a little something here. Oh boy. Don't be awkward. Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Rain. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rains. Hope it's great and wonderful and full of love from all of your foxes. So, yeah, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Rains. Feliz cumpleaños. Hope you have a great one. Don't stop, and I love you.
Rains, happy birthday. I am in Ohio visiting a girl that's really cute, and I just wanted to take a minute to say that you are awesome and that I love you and happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woo. All right, girl, keep your head up. Hit me up whenever. Bye.
Hey Rains, happy 23rd birthday. I hope it's amazing. I hope you have a great time. I'm excited to try and make it one of the most special birthdays ever. 23, congratulations. It's going to be an awesome year. I can't wait for everything that's to come in Seattle. And I'm just really thankful to have you in my life and lucky. And thanks for being you. Thanks for letting me be me, and you're a really special person to have in my life, and I hope you have a great birthday. I hope that this video makes you really happy, makes you smile, makes you think of Foxfire, Don't Stop, and 8 Camp, and all those awesome memories that we had. Everybody loves you, and I just wanted to put this video together to show you that we miss you, and even though life gets crazy sometimes, you always have us. And I used iMovie for the first time, and I feel I'm really proud of myself. But yeah, I hope you like it, and I'm excited to spend your birthday with you as well. I'm excited that we're going to get to hang out with Sabrina in DC. Surprise! And I hope that you just like this surprise video that I tried to put together for you. So have a great one. You're awesome. Happy birthday.